Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing a hair from Curlsqueen, and the hair is the Kinky Straight Ponytail in 20 inches and the density is 150 grams. So starting off with my hair stretched, I actually blow dried my hair on low heat using my Revlon blow dryer. I stretched it out because I just wanted my hair to be stretched out. So I'm combing my hair towards the direction of where I want my ponytail to be. So I will section the front part out. One tip I will give when it comes to creating a sleek ponytail is to work with your hair in sections. I just sectioned the back part and putting it in a ponytail. I'm going to add the gel. I'm using the Shine and Jam gel. I feel like that's the only gel that works for me, that doesn't leave the white cast, and it kind of helps my hair lay flat. I'm trying to avoid using so much because I don't really like the feel of gel on my hair, one, and two, I'm just paranoid whenever I have gel in my hair because I feel like it's just breaking down my hair. So I intentionally try not to use so much gel. What I'm doing now is I'm applying the gel, massaging it into the hair, and I'm going to put the back section in a ponytail. When I'm done with that, I'm now going to take the front part and do the same. One tip I would give when it comes to making a sleek ponytail on your hair, even if you're not using gel, is to use brushes. Use every form of brush or any type of brush that works for you. As you can see, I'm using like a bigger brush at first, then I'm going in the other brush I'm using is like a hard, it's a bit hard, but it's not so hard like to ruin or injure your scalp. It's firm, I would say, so it's a bit on the stronger side. I'm going to use that to just blend the gel away, because as you can see, the gel was showing a bit, so I'm using it to blend the gel evenly into the hair and also help lay the hair flat on my scalp. So that's one tip I would give to you if you're trying to achieve a sleek ponytail, a sleek bun. Make sure you use brushes. A comb, a wide tooth comb, is not going to do it for you, except you have like really scanty hair or low density hair, then that may work for you.
Made a mistake, and now it's all bad. You could put the blame on me, but baby, can we run it back? You've been running through my mind, and you're still in my dream. Baby girl, life without you just ain't as good as it seems. But if you meet me down the road, would you stay or would you go? Cause there's one thing that we know, people change and roses grow. Take my hand, take these roses, no, I'll never leave you lonely.
I've let my hair sit for about 2 minutes, not for long. I'm going to attach the ponytail. This is what it looks like. It comes with 2 pins, one at the top and one at the bottom, and the drawstring is also at the bottom, like below the comb. So I'm going to attach it in a way whereby the drawstring is at the back. I'm going to pull that, use the drawstring to hold the ponytail tight on my hair. I think this just helps with security, and you wouldn't be scared that your ponytail is probably falling out of your hair. No. And then I'm going to use a bobby pin and just pin down the thread or the rope of the drawstring. I'm going to pin it on my hair. Then I'm going to take a section of hair and roll that around the ponytail as well, just to cover the drawstring, and then pin that down. So this is just going to create security for the hair. And that's it for this hairstyle. This is what it looks like. I'm going to share my pros and cons and also add some or share some ways you can style this hair towards the end of this video. Hi, So this is the final look. This is what the hair looks like. I absolutely love this hair and I'm so impressed with the hair. I quickly wanted to come in and talk about the pros and cons about this hair. So for the cons, I don't think this hair has cons. Usually cons for a hairstyle or for a wig I received is probably it has a smell or it sheds a lot. But this hair, it just sheds like a normal hair. Actually, I have to pass my hand through it about 4 or 5 times before one strand of hair comes out. So that's very good. Some hairs you just pass it, every pass comes out with hair. So the pros for this hair, let's start. Number 1, it's lightweight. I actually do not feel like I have a ponytail on my head or an extension ponytail. It does not feel as though I have anything on my hair. The next thing is the length. It just intertwines with the lightweight. For how long it is, you would think it will stress your head or it will feel heavy, but it does not feel heavy. And I'm a tall girl and this is right above my tailbone, so it's called tailbone, right? I believe. So that means it's very long. Another thing is it's full. You know how sometimes you can have ponytail and the ponytail is not full, but then this one is really full. It's the what's the word I'm looking for? There's a word I'm looking for. It's really full. It feels thick. It's not just lightweight and empty. It's lightweight and full at the same time. You can straighten it if you want it to look less full. I'm going to also do some hairstyle videos towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. It matches our skin. No, it matches our hair texture. So if you have type 4A, 4B, 4C or type 4 hair, any way, any shape, it matches our hair texture amazingly. I did have my hair stretched out, but even if your hair is not stretched out, if you're going to do a sleek ponytail, then you don't have to stretch out your hair. You can also do it from washing your hair. You can also take to heat and you can style it in different ways. That's it for the pros and the cons. I really love this hair. Now I'm going to go into styling it. Okay, so this is the first one, obviously style 1.
Cause there's one thing that we know, people change and roses grow. Oh, take my hand, take these roses. No, I'll never leave you lonely. Have my heart, you can hold it like those flowers. I'll keep growing. Put me down in the water. Tell that preacher, yeah, he got one. Girl, you are my salvation. I'd do anything to have you. If you meet me down the road, would you stay or would you go? Oh, cause there's one thing that we know, people change and roses grow. Oh, yeah, if you meet me down the road, would you stay or would you go?
So that's it for the styles. Let me know which style was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.